Welcome to our documentary on the history of Islam. In this segment, we will provide an overview of the origins and significance of Islam. In this segment, we will explore the birth of Islam and the life of Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam. This segment focuses on the key teachings of Islam, including the 5 pillars, the Quran, and the importance of faith and prayer. In this segment, we will delve into the major historical events that shaped Islamic history, such as the Battle of Badr and the spread of Islam. This segment explores the profound impact of Islam on various aspects of society, including art, science, and governance. In this final segment, we summarize the key points discussed and emphasize the enduring legacy of Islam. Welcome to this educational video about the 5 pillars of Islam. In this video, we will explore the fundamental principles of Islam and their significance. Let's begin with the first pillar of Islam, Shahada. It is the declaration of faith in one God, Allah, and the Prophet Muhammad as his messenger. The second pillar of Islam is Salat, which refers to the daily prayers performed by Muslims. These prayers are a way to connect with Allah and seek His guidance. Zakat, the third pillar of Islam, involves giving a portion of one's wealth to those in need. It is a way to purify one's wealth and help create a more equitable society. Sawm, the fourth pillar of Islam, involves fasting from dawn to sunset during the holy month of Ramadan. It is a time of self-reflection, increased devotion, and empathy for those less fortunate. The fifth pillar of Islam is Hajj, the pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca. Muslims from around the world gather to perform this sacred journey, seeking spiritual purification and unity. In conclusion, the 5 pillars of Islam form the foundation of the religion. They represent the core beliefs and practices that guide the lives of Muslims worldwide.